Happy Mother's Day! Hi everyone, I'm Nicky G, and today we're gonna be making chocolate covered strawberries! And do this thing with your dad, cause Mother's Day is a surprise for your mom. So you don't want to spoil the surprise by making your mom help you. We're gonna need sticks. We're gonna need strawberries. We're gonna need melted chocolate. We're gonna need peanuts cut it up. And we're gonna need sprinkles. So let's get started! You're gonna use the chocolate dip. It has to be melted in the microwave. I'm too young to use microwave, so I need a volunteer. Thank you, volunteer. First, you're gonna get this kebab stick, and you're going to stick it in the strawberry. Do you see this hole? You're gonna put the kebab stick in there. Poke it. Now you're gonna put it in, circle it around so all the strawberry could get inside. Now twist it so it won't be a mess. And now put inside the sprinkles. Hi, it's time to give my mom the bouquet chocolate covered strawberries. Shh, we gotta be quiet. My mom's over there. Here's a bouquet chocolate covered strawberries. We're gonna go and give it to them. Come on, let's go. Surprise!
Oh my God! Thank you! Thank you!
Thank you for watching. Hope you guys like my video.